Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can change the access permission of your folder or link on Google Drive. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to change the access permission of your folder link on Google Drive, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, you will need to open the G Drive folder for which you want to change the access permissions of. So for that, just go to my Drive section of your Google Drive. And here in your Drive section, you will now be able to see all the folders and files you've uploaded on your Google Drive. So just select the folder for which you want to change the access permissions of. Just double-click it to open. And now that you've opened your folder, next, I want you to click this details icon right here at the top right corner. And then select Manage Access. And right here, you can choose who can access your folder by entering their email address right here. But alternatively, you can also go to the General Access section to set wider sharing options, such as making the folder accessible to anyone with the link or restricting access to specific people. Restricting access to specific people means that if someone tries to open your Google Drive folder using the link, they will need to request permission from you first before they can view the files. But on the other hand, selecting anyone with the link allows anyone with the link to instantly access the files in your folder without needing permissions from you. What you select here will depend on your preferred level of privacy and who you want to share the folder with, but in my case, I will choose anyone with the link option. And once you're done selecting your preferred access permissions, just click Done to save your changes. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your Google Drive folder's access permissions have been successfully updated, so just copy the link, and then you can now just share it to whoever you like. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.